तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं टाइम एंड वर्क के क्वेश्चंस. A can do a work in 15 days and B in 20 days. If they work on it together for 4 days, then the fraction of the work that is left is, first we have to find work rate. So work rate of A 1 upon 15. 15 is the days. Work rate is equal, the formula is of work rate is 1 upon time taken in days. So work rate of B is equal to 1 upon 20 work per day. Work rate, so we have to find work rate together. So we sum the work rate of A plus work rate of B. 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20 is equal to 7 by 60 work per day. Then we have to find if they work, what the question says, if they work on it together for 4 days. So we have to find the work rate together is equal to 7 by 60 work per day. And the question says then the fraction of the work that is left is. So we have to find what the work done left together together A and B doing. So we have to find fraction of work done. Work done is equal to 7 by 60. The work rate work done for the work done formula is work done is equal to time into work rate. So work done is equal to 7 by 60 into 4. Why 4? Because time time taken by together the work they are doing is 4 days. So 7 by 60 into 4 is equal to 1 by 15. And we have to find the fraction of the work that is left is. So we have to subtract 1 minus 1 upon 15. So we can know the fraction of the work that is left is. And the second question says A can lay railway track between two given stations in 16 days and B can do the same job in 12 days. With the help of C, they did the job in 4 days only. Then C alone can do the job in work rate. We have to find the work rate of A, which is 1 upon 16 work per day. Work rate formula is 1 upon time taken. So the 1 upon 16 work rate of A. Work rate of B 1 upon 12 because 12 days is doing. So we have to find 1 upon 12. So the work rate of B. Then the combine work rate A plus B 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12. So we got 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12. We have to take LCM and then sum these 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12, which is some around 7 by 48. 7 by 48 work per day. Then we have to find C alone. C alone can do the job. We have to find the time taken. C alone can do the job. So we have to find work rate of C. C plus A plus B is equal to 1 upon 4. They did the job together in 4 days only. So we have to find work rate of C. C plus A plus B is equal to 1 upon 4. C plus 7 by 48 is equal to 1 by 4. C is equal to 1 by 4 minus 7 by 48 work per day. So we have to take the LCM and sum it. 5 by 48 is the work rate of C. But this is the work rate. So we should find the time taken but here there is a problem. I did I did I will correct it later. Now the third question says A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work if he assisted by B and C on every third day? So it is a shifting problem, shifting workers problem. So we have given A is equal to 20 days, B is equal to 30 days and C is equal to 60 days. So first we have to find the work rate, and what the problem says, in how many days can do the work if he assisted by B and C on every third day. So 2 days, a person is doing 2 days, and plus 1 day he is doing with B and C, with the help of B and C person. So we have to find work done by A in 2 days plus 1 day work done by A plus B plus C. A person plus B person plus C person. Work done by A. Work done by A is equal to work done of by A of 2 days is equal to, what is the formula of work done? Work done formula is work done is equal to time into work rate. Work rate formula, work done formula, work done is equal to time into work rate. So work done by A of 2 days is equal to time into work rate of A. So we have to find work rate of A first. Work rate of A is equal to 1 upon 20. 1 upon time. Work rate formula is 1 upon time. So the work rate of A is equal to 1 upon 20. We will find it. A work rate is equal to 1 upon 20. So work done by A of 2 days, 2 into 1 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon 10. So this is the work done by A of 2 days. So now we have to find 1 day work done by A plus B plus C person. Work done by A plus B plus C is equal to time. What is the time? Time will be one day. Okay. So 1 into first we have to find work rate of B and C. So the work rate of B is equal to 1 upon 30. C work rate, C person work rate, what will be the 1 upon 60 days? Yeah, 1 upon 60. So work done by A plus B plus C for 1 day is equal to time work rate into time. So 1 upon 20 into 1 is equal to 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 30 into 1 plus is equal to 1 upon 30. So we will find 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 60. So this is the work done by A plus B plus C for 1 day. So we will take LCM. The LCM is maybe around 180. So 60 upon, so no, the LCM is 600. 60 upon 600. So the answer is equal to 1 upon 10. So now we have work done by A of 2 days and work done by A plus B plus C for 1 day. So now we should add it to get the work done by A for 2 days plus work done by A plus B plus C. So 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 is equal to 2 upon 10. 2 upon 10 is equal, we have to cut it, and so 2 upon 10 will be 1 upon 5. Answer work done is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10, which is equal to 2 upon 10. 2 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 5. So we have work done. We have work done, and we can find time. So the time will be time is equal to 1 upon work rate. So we will find work rate first. And what will be the work rate? Work rate formula is 1 upon time. Work rate. Work done. Work done is equal to time into work rate. So now we have to find the work rate. So work done is equal to 1 upon 5. And the time is 3 days. We have to find 3 days. Okay. So time 3 into work rate. So work rate, what will be the 3 into 5? 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. And the time is equal to 1 upon work rate. And work rate, work rate 1 upon work rate, and work rate, we have to find work rate, but we have to find time. So time is equal to 1 upon work rate, but we have work rate 3. So work rate 1 upon work rate, and 5 will go to the work rate side. So 5 into 3, 1 upon work rate is equal to 5 into 3, and 1 upon work rate is equal to time. So we have time is equal to 3 into 5, 15 days. The answer is 15 days. Time is equal to 1 time is equal to 3 into 5 is equal to 15 days. We wrote wrong. Their work rate is equal to 3 upon 5, but the work rate is not needed here. We have to find time. So we can find 1 upon work rate, and 5 will go to the right hand side. So 1 upon work rate will become time, and 3 into 5 is equal to 15 days. So the time is equal to 3 upon 15 days. So in how many days A can do the work if he has stayed by B and C on every third day? So the time is 15 days. They will do 15 days of the work which is done by A and assisted by B and C on every third day. So now we have some mistake in question 2. We found work rate of C, but we have to find the time, not the work rate. So time is equal to 1 upon work rate. So the answer will become time is equal to 1 upon 5 upon 48, which will become 48 by 5. 48 5 by 5 will be the answer. 48 by 5 days. So now we have the question 4. A is thrice as good as workman as B, and therefore it is able to finish a job in 60 days less than B. Working together, they can do it in efficiency trick. There is an efficiency trick which is m is to n. When the ratio will be given m is to n, so the time taken is reciprocal of the efficiency ratio, so n is to m. So we have given A is thrice efficient as B in compare of B. So uh, A will do the job in 60 days less than B. So B can do work in X days, so A can do work in X by 3 days because he is efficient thrice. So A work rate is equal to X by 3 days. A time is equal to X by 3 days. So the problem we have given X minus 60. So X by 3 days is equal to X by 6, X minus 60. So 2x is equal to 180, X is equal to 90 days. 2x is equal to 180 days, so X will become 90 days. B work rate, the work rate of B is equal to 1 upon 90 days. So A time is equal to X by 3. X by 3 is equal to 90 by 3. So the A time is 30 days. A work rate is equal to 1 upon 30 days. Combined work rate is equal to 1 upon 90, which is the work rate of B, plus 1 upon 30, which is the work rate of A, is equal to 2 upon 45. So A plus B plus C, A plus B time taken is equal to 1 upon work rate is equal to 1 upon 2 upon 45, which will become 45 by 2 days, which is the answer. They can do it in 45 by 2 days. So the fifth question says A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days and B alone in 8 days. A and B undertook to do it for rupees 3,200. With the help of C, they completed the work in 3 days. How much is to be paid to C? A time is 6 days and B time is 8 days. So A and B, we have to find C time. C time, and A plus B plus C time is equal to 3 days. 3 days. C paid. We have to find C paid, and we do not have C time also. So first we have to find C time, then we will know the how much C is paid. Work rate is equal to 1 upon time taken. A work rate is equal to 1 upon 60, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6. B work rate is equal to 1 upon 8. So the C time, we can find it. A plus B plus C is equal to C work rate. We have to find C work rate first. Then we can find the time, because the time is 1 upon work rate. Time is equal to 1 upon work rate. The formula is. So we have to find C work rate. C minus A plus B. C minus A plus B is equal to 1 upon 3. C plus A plus B, they complete, the question is given with the help of C, they completed the work in 3 days. So C work, we have to find C plus work rate. C plus A plus B plus is equal to 1 upon 3. C plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 3. So C is here, 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 8. C work rate is equal to 1 upon 24. So A is to B is to C work rate is equal to 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 is to 1 upon 8 is to 1 upon 24. Take LCM of the denominator, which is 24. So A is to B is to C. 4 upon 24 is to 3 by 24 is to 1 upon 24, which is become 4 is to 3 is to 1. A paid is equal to 4 upon 4 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 upon 8 into 32,000. So A paid is equal to 1,600. B paid is equal to 3 upon 4. We can find A paid, B paid, but we have to find, the question says how much it is paid to C. So B paid is equal to 1200. C paid is equal to, there is 4 is to 3 is to 1, so we have we do 1. C paid is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 3 plus 1, which is 8. So 1 upon 8 into 32,000, which is rupees 400. So the answer is 400.